All right, guys, we finally got some Diamondbacks in stock. These are before the price increase hit. So I think we have 6 of these altogether. We got some 52, 60s, and a 48. They're all Kawasaki's. I do know the 52 is $59.99 and the 60 is $61.99. And the next ones are going to be 8% higher. I am working on getting y'all some more Lonson engines, but they are going to be quite a bit higher. I think they're going to be close to 5,500 maybe when they finally come in. But 3,200 transmissions, Kawasaki FR engines. These are built, they got the Maverick transmission, and they're $6,000 and $61.99. They got a 3-year warranty, parts and labor. They have a 0 for 48 months through Sheffield. Y'all come on, 623 North Main, kgmowers.com, fixing the postseason.